So, good morning everyone. My name is Christina Viana. So, today I'm gonna make this video to know what are my types for multiple intelligence. So, today we have part 1 to part 3. Then for part 1, complete each section by placing one to next each. Then for section 1, I have 4 results. And section 2, I have 3. Section 3, I have 3. Section 4, I have 2. Section 5, I have 1. Section 6, I have 1. Section 7, I have 1. And section 8 to 9, I have 1 result. So today, for part 2, we're gonna multiply by 10 the result we gather by the section 1 to section 9. So I got the higher score is 170 and 60. The part 2, the result for that. Then for the last part 3, the result for my types of strength, then naturalist, kinesthetic, verbal, and visual. I have 4 strength types of strength rather for the gather of the result, the all result for multiple intelligence.